Very good afternoon to all of you. We all know that IBPS was final interview was started from yesterday, 21st of February, and so many students of Super 50 already given the interview. I am started posting their review in the community section, and relevant video is there. Just try to watch one more mock and take help from it, and contact Ravi sir Super 50 Gurukul with prelims, mains and interview. My number is 7503235358. Okay, start from may I come in?
May I come in, sir?
Yes, please come.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon. Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, your application form is with me. It is mentioned that you are completed your graduation in BCom.
Yes, sir.
In which year?
In the year 2018, sir.
2018. After that, what you have did?
Sir, actually, I was not aware of the career options. So, my parents took that decision for me that I shall pursue the chartered accountancy course. So, I started preparing for it. But while preparing, I realized that I have inclination towards something else. So, after due research, I realized that I can serve better as a banker. So, in the year 2022, I started preparing for the banking exams.
Okay, Gaurav, but you are a very good boy at the age of after completion of graduation. Your parents is taking decision for you. No issue. It is good. But what is your mental studies is that firstly you are doing chartered accountant, then again you are moving towards banking.
So actually, the decision was not taken after the graduation. It was taken after my class 10th.
What is the reason behind that?
So I was not available with the resources where I can find the career options. Having discussion with my seniors and some of my friends and my family, they suggested that CA is a good field to go with. So I started preparing
CA
for
is
it.
a very good field, but why you are not pursue it?
Sir, I find that CA is more likely a loner job. And I find myself as a people's person. I like to get around the people. I get along with people very easily.
I am giving you a situation. Okay, so many people is in the bank. Okay, you have to handle the customer. Okay, they are coming for the different work in a bank. What is your quality so that you will work in a branch?
Sir, I know how to prioritize things. I'm a good listener, so I understand the problems of the people very easily and provide them with the solution. And I have good communication skills, so using that skills, I'll be able to communicate the what should be done first and what customers shall be given priority in the banks, whose tasks shall be completed first. So I will be able to arrange them very efficiently, sir.
Private sector banks are also there. Why you are not going for the private sector bank? Why you are coming in the banking government sector only?
Sir, the government sector banks gives a sense of service, sir. Here we get the chance to serve the people through various government schemes, and also there is a difference in the pay scale of the private and the government banks. So these are the two major
this is
reasons.
social, but we are giving you salary.
Mhm.
Yeah, you are working on the salary. Okay, you are talking about the schemes.
Mhm.
सुकन्या समृद्धि स्कीम बैंक में है, न्यूज में रहता है, आपको पता है इसके बारे में?
Yes, sir. So it is introduced for the girl child. The girl child who, up to the age of 10 years, their parents or their guardians can open their account in their name. So its maturity period is 21 years. So the minimum deposit amount in Sukanya Samriddhi scheme is rupees 250, and the maximum amount which can be deposited in a year is rupees 1,50,000.
बजट में कोई सोलर से रिलेटेड स्कीम?
Yes, sir. A rooftop solar scheme is introduced by the government, through which the government is promising that 300 unit of electricity shall be provided to the households for free.
Okay, Gaurav, you are a BCom student. What is shell companies?
So shell companies are those companies through which it is tried to evade for the tax evasion purposes. Those companies are introduced. So they are not actually in function, but transactions are carried out through those companies so that the tax evasion can be performed.
What is tax evasion and tax planning?
Sir, through tax planning, the a person through utilizing various government schemes like through the use of PPF scheme, Sukanya Samriddhi scheme, they can take the benefit of Section 80C and can avoid taxation through legal means. Whereas in case of tax evasion through illegal means, a person is trying to evade the tax. He is not willing to pay the tax, even though he is able to pay the tax, but he is not paying.
Okay. Tell me something about nowadays. We all know that one term is called money muling.
Money muling.
Yeah. सुना है क्या?
Sorry, sir. No, sir, I am not.
आज का बिजनेस पेज पढ़ा है क्या?
Yes, sir.
आज के बिजनेस पेज में लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में थर्ड पार्टी अकाउंट में पैसा ट्रांसफर करके कोई ऐसा आर्टिकल था?
Sir, escrow account, they are saying that where a company is there, the government is, the Supreme Court is asking to transfer some amount in escrow account.
नो नो, मैं उसकी बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं आपको समझाता हूँ. सपोज कि मेरा अकाउंट है, मेरे अकाउंट में किसी थर्ड पार्टी ने पैसा ट्रांसफ़र किया, किसी ने पैसा ट्रांसफ़र किया और मेरे अकाउंट को ब्लैक मनी के लिए यूज़ किया जा रहा है, यानी कुछ पैसा मुझे दे दिया, बाकी मेरा पैसा कुछ और लोगों ने निकाल लिया. ये आपने सुना है? बिजनेस पेज, आपका बिजनेस पेज देखिएगा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, ठीक ना? आप गलत तरीके से किसी के अकाउंट को यूज़ कर रहे हैं.
ओके.
उसमें पैसा डलवा लिए, उसको कुछ पैसे दिए, बाकी पैसा आपने निकाल लिया.
ओके, थैंक यू सर.
ठीक है. आप मुझे ये बता दीजिए कि अभी बजट आया है, तो फिस्कल पॉलिसी और मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी में क्या डिफरेंस होता है?
Sir, fiscal policy is a broader term in which we not only consider the sources and the application of funds, but we also discuss in which sector we need to contribute the money for the betterment of the people. Whereas in monetary policy, the main focus is on the control of inflation, like the use of various quantitative and qualitative tools. The monetary policy committee focuses on the control of inflation in the economy.
Okay. What is your hobby?
Sir, my hobby is listening music and tracking, sir.
Okay, tracking. इंडिया में फेमस मेल एंड फीमेल ट्रैकर का नाम?
The female tracker is Savita Kanswal, who recently died in an accident in Draupadi Ka Danda track. So the male tracker, I am not able to recall the name.
Okay, no issue. No issue. What is your short-term goal and long-term goal in the banking industry?
So in short term, I would like to achieve the first-hand experience in the bank, and would like to learn whatever in the short term I can learn. And in long term, using those experience and skills, I would like to serve in the banks.
Okay, you are a so intelligent student. What is the guarantee that you will stay in the PO job? You are not leave this job?
Sir, this time I have arrived at this career option after a due research, and I am pretty confident that I will be able to serve here, and I want to serve here in a long term, sir. I can see myself as a banker and want to achieve the highest possible post as a banker, sir.
Good. Very good. Okay, I am giving you a situation. Okay. Suppose one customer is there, okay, and he is coming in the branch and he is telling that I need a money, okay, instantly. Somebody is admitted in the hospital, but so many people is they are standing earlier than that people. Then what will you do?
So I'll check the authenticity of that person. If that person really needs that money, then I'll serve him first, sir.
Okay. Guys, now I am going to give feedback to my student. If you are interested for the mock interview, my number is 7503235358. Contact me for the any interview, as well as Super 50 is a Gurukul for prelims and mains practice, as well as discussion plus interview session. Thanks a lot. God bless you.